place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we
Hey
face
friends,
tonight?
Lynn White here, and I am coming to you with another Clean and Decorate with me. I have had so much fun doing these videos. I feel like this has been making my heart so happy. You guys know I love to clean, I'm sure you can tell by now, and I love to decorate. So now that the holidays are coming and the season is here, I am all about it. So that is what I've been doing. And I hope that it is bringing you guys some serious cleaning and decorating motivation. I hope it's inspiring you and making you see what you can do in your own spaces. I wanted to let you guys know that today's video will be a part of Brianna Kay's video. She is also doing a clean and decorate with me, and I got a little sneak peek. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have to go over there and check it out. I'm going to put a little clip here for you guys to see what she has going on. Whoa. I mean, just whoa. She's in her element. She's doing her thing. She's so talented at decorating. Honestly, I get so much inspiration from her, but not just by the decorating, but she's really just a good friend, down to earth. She's in my corner. She's lifting me up. She's encouraging me, and I know that she can do the same for you. So if you guys haven't seen her channel yet, please go over there and check it out. Let her know that Lynn sent you. I'll have all her information in my description box. You need Brianna in your life. She is there, and she motivates you, and it is amazing. Thank you so much for coming and visiting me, friend. I would love for you to consider sticking around and joining my YouTube family just by hitting that subscribe button. And I would love to get to know you, so let me know if you're coming from Brianna's channel and where you're from. I have mentioned before, I am a messy crafter, and when I decorate, I tend to make a mess. So I like to get the house like a clean slate, get it really nice and prepped before I start pulling everything out. Also, we're planning on going to the beach after I do this video and the kids get out of school. So I need to make sure the house is in order, and it was just perfect timing because nobody wants to come home to a messy house. But I also don't want to start putting all of the decorations out amongst the mess. I have 5 kids, and I feel like there is always something to clean at some point. So you guys gotta let me know, as I have mentioned, if you've been with me for a while, you know, but if you're new, I am in Florida right now. I'm originally from Tennessee, born in Mississippi, so I definitely consider myself a Southern mama, but I have been living in Florida for a very long time. But it is so hot here. It is, well, today it was 80s, but usually it stays in the 90s for a very long time. So let me know, what is the weather like in your area? Is it fall yet? I'm hoping that I can get some serious fall vibes going so soon. I'm also going to be doing a quick little shameless plug here. On Thursday at 10 a.m. I am going to be doing the laundry room reveal. We have completely redone it, so I'm so excited. Subscribe, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss that video. I am so excited to show you what we did. so many pillows here on my couch, and honestly, I'm so tired of seeing them on the floor and my kids stepping on them. So I'm gonna fluff them out and put them on the couch now because we're gonna leave, but I have actually just been putting them just away because pillows are expensive and I love them and I'm tired of my kids messing them up. But I was gonna add some really cute Halloween pillows, but you know what? I gotta do what's practical. I gotta do what works, and I'm just gonna keep the regular fall ones out and not even worry about adding Halloween ones this go around, because if I see one more kid step on my pillow with their nasty, dirty feet, I think I might lose my mind. And of course, I have to put a little disclaimer out because y'all know I'm just playing. I love my kids and their dirty feet, but seriously, can they just value and love my pillows? For the love. My love language is definitely food and coffee, throw blankets, and some pillows. So I actually got a new vacuum and I am so excited to share it with you guys. It's not sponsored or anything. I am just so obsessed with it. I know we have talked about the rainbow vacuum and how much I love it, and I have been looking for something, and I think I found something comparable. I have been using it and I'm going to share it with you guys on one of my videos just to let you know how I feel about it, and then you can make your own decision. But it is amazing. It's a water filtration type of vacuum and it gets everything. I mean, everything. I thought my Dyson cleaned well. Oh my word. I used that vacuum after the Dyson and I was blown away and a little bit grossed out, if I'm being honest. So when I'm decorating for any occasion, season, or holiday, I like to bring everything out and kind of get an overview and just see what speaks to me. And I don't always use everything, and sometimes I get more stuff and sometimes I don't need to. But when you put it out on the table, you can kind of really see there's some stuff I left in the garage because I knew I didn't want it. And I'm just going to see what I can do with the things that are really just bringing me joy this year. The first step was to clean off this entryway table. This was one of the areas I wanted to focus on in today's video. Last Sunday, I focused on my hall tree and the porch, so I will link that above if you guys want to check that out. I'm going to work on this area, which I won't lie, it made me a little sad to take all these pumpkins down. So let me know in the comments below, do you decorate for Thanksgiving or fall and then Halloween, or do you just keep all of your fall things out and just add Halloween on top of it? Let me know what you guys do. I kind of take some things and put it away and add my Halloween, and then once Halloween's done, I bring some of those things back. So I got the tall pumpkin from Marshall's about 3 years ago. I think they still have it. The chevron pumpkin on the bottom is from Kirkland's, and the spider was from, I believe, Walmart. And then the boo sign I actually made, and if you want to see me do that, I have a DIY channel and I will put that information in my description box or link it above. The The gauze was from Michael's last year. I felt like it was a really good deal. It's pretty large, and it was cheaper than the dollar store because of the discount they had going on. So definitely check out your coupons and whatnot. The bats are in my Amazon favorites, and I'm just making it look like they're kind of flying out from the mirror. I think they are so, so cute. I got these last year, and they still stick very well.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no.
The tombstone was from last year's Target dollar spot. I don't know if they have it, but I just thought it was so cute because I used to tell my husband that all the time. I told you I was sick, so it was funny. The cookie jar here is from Home Goods, and the sign is from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to add a black and white pumpkin, and that is Target dollar spot.
Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves.
This here is from Marshall's about 4 years ago. I know. I keep things, if I really love it, I keep it forever.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let
I got this little pumpkin from Home Goods this year. This was a gift for my mom, and I think it is just so cute.
You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves.
So you guys gotta let me know, how do you think I did? I tried to keep it still pretty simplistic because you guys know I like to do cozy, not cluttered, even during the holidays. I am trying to learn how to bring it back a little bit so I don't get so overwhelmed, and it has really helped, honestly. I feel like the space comes together, it's still festive, it's fun for the kids, and I enjoy doing it. So makes me happy, makes my babies happy, and that is just great for me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to be decorating this year. I had so much fun, and I did not spend a lot of money, which you know, that's how this mama does it. Everything is on a budget. Don't forget to go check out Brianna's channel. Let her know Lynn sent you. You're going to love it. She is so talented. I mean, if she could just come to my house and decorate, that would mean the world to me. I could definitely probably use some of her skills some days. She is so good. So let her know I sent you. And if you're from there, thanks for watching this video. It means so much to me. I'd love for you to consider joining my family and hitting that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.